Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my YouTube channel, Dalton My World. And I just want to show you a little something I'm doing here. Some of y'all kind of want to know how I do a little bit of cooking. Let me show you what I did here. There you go. Now, what I got here, I have chicken thighs, skinless, and the spices I used on this: garlic, canine, a little bit of this, some black pepper, and of course, Old Faithful. Now, give you a different view of that. Look at that. Look at that chicken. Look at that. Yeah. I got that. The cooking just about ready anyway. Let's see if I can pull this up real quick for you. Give you a better look at that. Yeah. There you go. And the reason I made it kind of spicy is because my allergies are messing with me. So anytime my allergies are messing with me, I like to have some kind of spicy stuff. Okay, I'm really not into white meat chicken. Don't make no dirty jokes now. I'm not really into white meat chicken, so that's why I like the thighs. Okay, with the exception of chicken wings. Okay. I had some of these left over. Just a couple pieces of shrimp. Y'all know I love shrimp, so just to add a little appetizer for it. And this is the most important aspect of this right here. That's my side dish. If you don't know what that is, that's cabbage. One of the main reasons I like using cabbage is because, one, it's healthy for you. Two, you'll eat less food when you're having a side dish that's a vegetable. Three, it has fiber. So when you add all all 3 points up, it's all positive. Okay, and that's one of the reasons I really enjoy it. And I made a big pot of it, so I got it sitting in the refrigerator, so I can always have a side dish of cabbage. And what I made it with, it was cabbage with, I made it cabbage with, red onion. So I just want to give y'all a little taste of that. Bring you into my world. Let you have a little bit of dinner with me. And I should wrap to y'all later. Peace out.